Hello and welcome to How to Log In. I'm going to teach you how you can log into your AOL mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Talking about AOL, it is a mail app just like Yahoo and Google. You can see that you must install AOL, and after you install AOL you will see this type of interface. To log into your account, just go ahead and click on Profile on the left hand side and click on Manage Accounts. After you do so, you must write down your email address or your AOL mail address and click Next. Now write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it once and click Next. And there you go. This is how you can log into your AOL mail. It might take some time to verify your account, and in a while you can see that you will be logged in. For some security reasons, the screen might not record the login process, but this is the basic login process. First of all, you open AOL Mail, go to the top left hand corner, and there will be something like Manage Accounts. Click on Manage Accounts, then write down your AOL mail address, your password, click Login or Sign In, and there you go. This is how easily you can log into your AOL mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.